Okay, so this Zap is an update to an older one I made. We're going to pretend that will organize RingCentral call recordings and actually add a note in AgencyZoom from it. So what you're going to do is we're going to pretend this Slack message is a RingCentral message. Same concept, going to get a message. We're going to format date and time, because this is important. We're going to use that date and time to look for a Google folder. If that folder doesn't exist, create it, and then go down the line. So we're going to pretend we found the folder, upload the folder. We're going to find a lead. We're going to use a phone number. You have to look up by phone number, find it. If person is found, we're going to create a note with the phone recording based on their email address, with an activity note of the title of the recording and a link to that recording. That is one of the quickest, easiest ways I've found it. This other path right here is just doing that same thing, just creating the folder if it doesn't exist, uploading the file, doing the same thing. That's it. It's pretty easy. Let me know. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need any help. Glad to help you.